Alright, so basically what you're doing is just you get a destruction spell, and you kind of like, you get a horse from any stable, it doesn't matter, you can have any kind of like horse or stable, like you just go and you buy a horse $1,000, whatever. What you do is you get whatever spell you want, whichever one you think is best. I'm using, Firebolt. That should get your destruction out. This should get your destruction out. It's gonna take a while. And you don't want them to die so quickly, so what's good about this is what you're gonna do, you can get your healing hand too, your shooting get 100, this should take a while, maybe an hour or two, it shouldn't take that long. This should be an easy way to do it. I hope this kind of helps you guys. Good luck.